back out with Parkway Plumbing on the job site here. Mike, we just installed tankless water heater valve kit, and we're going to prove two things. One, it's highly functional, and two, sales guys do pop up on job sites. So thanks for having us, Mike. What do you got for us?
You got your tankless water heater valve, and we just swapped out the old version for the new version. And it was relatively simple, easy to change out. The orientation is easy to change. Like you see here, you got your relief port facing one direction, and your relief port here facing on both the tanks beside me and behind me the other direction. In a confined space situation, if you needed to change your orientation on it without having to actually repipe or change this, all you have to do is remove the handle and remove this relief and swap them out. And this new generation tankless water heater valve does that for you.
Yeah. So traditionally, if you're in a really confined space, you could have a whole bunch of stuff impeding your way here, and you want to make sure this is nice and clean and there's conformity. So this gives you the option to actually flip those around.
Yes.
And you got a longer handle here too, gives you a little bit more leverage on that, so it's easier to manipulate the system. It looks pretty clean, and so you basically got a modern version of a tankless valve kit.
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks, Mike.